Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to add shortcuts to Drive in Google Sheet on computer. So how to add shortcuts to Drive in Google Sheet on computer. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the Google Sheets application on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display of the Google Sheets work page. To add shortcuts to Drive, just point the cursor to the top of the screen. Here there are several menu options. Tap the File menu. Now here a scrolling menu will appear. Tap the Add Shortcuts to Drive menu. Now a menu like this will appear. Now here there are several options as the location of the shortcut file on the drive. Choose one of the locations you want. After finishing, tap this. Now here it is finished for Add Shortcuts to Drive. This feature allows users to add shortcuts to files or folders in Google Drive without duplicating data, making it easy to access quickly. So that's it, tutorial how to add shortcuts to Drive in Google Sheet on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.